What's up, YouTube? This is one of my regular customers, Patty. She's been coming here for as long as I've been in business. And this video is about the most important things you can check on your vehicle to avoid super costly repair bills from someone neglecting, or your service provider, or whoever you have trusted, your quick lube, anyone. You need to check this stuff yourself. One is your washer fluid. Make sure that stays full and the cap stays on. That will prevent the lines from clogging, the sprayers from clogging, and always use a good washer fluid. Two, if you're brave enough, is pop the caps off your acid battery and inspect it. See if they're full or low. If your battery's old, just replace it. A low battery or a weak battery puts additional load on your alternator, causes bad fuel economy, could wreak havoc on your electrical system. So if your battery is bad, just replace it. They're very expensive today. Two is your radiator or your coolant. You definitely want to inspect the overflow or surge tank reservoir, and you want to do this when it's cold. So if it's empty, the fluid's going somewhere. So make sure that it stays 3/4 of the way full all the time. And then your radiator, you want to inspect inside the radiator cap when the engine is cold. This way you do not get burned opening it. This is under pressure and vacuum at certain points of time, and we don't want you to get injured. So you want to make sure that you open the cap on the radiator or the surge tank, and sometimes there's two. There's a surge tank radiator cap over there and a surge radiator cap here, or hidden under some plastic, only when the engine is cold. Engine oil. Make sure your oil cap is on. Make sure your engine oil is full and clean all the time. Pretty simple. Engines are not cheap. Oil is. Transmission fluid, if you can access your automatic transmission fluid. Most manual transits you cannot. And some automatic transmissions you cannot access with a dipstick. So look around. Typically, you will find this, it's yellow, but every manufacturer is different. So let's see if we can find this. This you want to inspect with the transmission worm. This one's black, so it's hidden. Okay, so you want to inspect the transmission fluid worm because it does expand. And you want to make sure that it's at the full line. And you want to make sure it's a rich pink color for most automatic transits. There is other transmission fluids out there of different colors, but most commonly you're going to find is pink. That you want to check with the engine warm or hot, and obviously running in gear with the parking brake on. This way you don't run over anyone or drive through your house or kill somebody. So that's the only thing that you're going to check when the engine's running, is your transmission fluid. So that's your most important things to check. I mean, there's some secondary things that are important as well, like tire pressure and tire condition and brakes. We're not going to cover that right now. Thanks for watching.